Hi, welcome back. This is Sanjay Kumar Verma from Unikaksha. So in this session, we are going to discuss about of the Yum client, right? So in the earlier session, we have already discussed how to configure a Yum server on a different machine. Now we want to set up a client on different machines, right? So when you have set up the Yum server in your environment, you no need to configure the Yum server on your all the machines, correct? You have to copies of your all the packages. You have to set up the repository on a single machine, right? So only you have to copy the repository file on your all client machine, and you can download, install, you can remove any kind of packages from your machine, right? So let's see. So I have two virtual machine. One virtual machine is working just like a server. So this is my Yum server, right? So now you can see cd etc yum dot repos.d, right? This is the database of my Yum server, and this is my repository yum.repo, right? And if I will show you, this is the packages cd etc, not etc, sorry, cd var ftp pub. This is the database where my packages all available. So now what if want I want to install some packages on this machine, right? This machine is available in the same network, right? So if I will show you the IP address on this machine, the IP address of this machine is 192.168.1.100, right? And you can see I am getting the response from this IP, right? And the server IP is 192.168.1.1. Ping 192.168.1.1. Both the machines are talking to each other, right? My server is talking to the client, and as well you can see I'm getting reply from server, right? And this machine name is, you can see, host name docker.example.com. That means this machine is working as a client, right? So now my dear friend, you can see cd var ftp pub. That means there is no public folder, right? Now you can see there is no, that means I don't have anything. RPM query vsftpd, no. vsftpd, that means not installed, that means nothing is available. And if I will show you the database of Yum server, yum etc yum dot repos.d, that means you can see there is nothing. Okay, so what to do? We have to share this file on my all the client side, right? cd etc yum dot repos.d, this side. We have to copy this file, or you can put up the manual entry on the remote side. You no need to change anything. So I will recommend you have to use the smart process. You have to copy this file using of the scp. Scp file name is yum.repo, yum.repo, correct? Yum.repo, sorry. Where you want to copy on this machine, root at the rate 192.168.1.100, correct? Where this file should be available inside the etc, right? yum dot repos dot d. This file should be available on this location. Now you can see currently you don't have any kind of file at this location, right? So now let's see. I'm going to hit the enter. Okay, share the password of the remote machine, right? So I have the password. Yes, now you can see one file is successfully copied on your remote machine. So again, let's do the LL. Perfect. The same file is available on my client side. You can read the content. Okay. So let me check now. RPM query HTTPD. This package is available on this machine or not? There is no. So I'm going to install this package yum install HTTPD, and you know the yum server is available on different machine. I'm going to install the HTTPD package from another machine. Correct. You can see. Now you can see it's going to install the packages. Now it's working successfully. We work like that in the production environment, my dear friend. Right? Now again you can verify RPM query HTTPD. Yes. Now let me check now. RPM query PSFTPD. This package is available or not? Okay. I want to install of this package. Yes. Yum install, or you can hit the DNF. DNF install VSFTPD. Okay. Yeah. Now you can see it's going to install. Yes. RPM query VSFTPD. Package successfully installed. Any point of time if you want to remove the package from this client machine, DNF remove VSFTPD. Yes, that means it's going to remove the VSFTPD package, right? Yes. Yes, it's a removing perfectly. Again verify package successfully removed or not. Package removed, right? So like this you can set up the yum client on your remote machine. Okay, so again my dear friend, you no need to set up the yum server on every machine. You have to set up a yum server only single machine in your environment, then it will act as a server and rest of the machine will act as a client where you want to install the packages. Only you have to share the yum.repo file. You can assign any name, but naming convention should be .repo, right? This is the idea behind of the yum client. I hope this is clear. So thank you so much.